Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your avatar in eFootball. To change your avatar in eFootball, first of all, open up the eFootball game on your device and wait for it to load completely. From the home screen, tap on Extras at the top right corner. Now click on User Information. Inside user information, you will need to go ahead and tap on user detail. Now, click on your profile avatar or the profile icon at the top left and select your avatar from the menu. After choosing the avatar from the available options, tap on next at the top right. Now choose the background color for your avatar and click on done. Soon after you do that, you will see your profile picture updated or changed. You can now head back to the main screen and enjoy the game with your updated look. That's how you have changed your avatar in eFootball. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.